We're about to show you how to do stew beef Jamaican style. You've been asking for this recipe for the longest time, so today is the day that you'll see this one. But guess what? I'm still in Jamaica, so I'm not the one making this. Mommy, I'm gonna show you for the stew beef the realest way. You feel me, I say?
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Here we have 1.5 pounds of stew beef, you know what I say? We're gonna make this the realest way right now.
Alright, I'm gonna clean them up now. I have to remove these. So you cut it this way, cross way. You don't cut it long way, you get it stringy.
Okay, so you cut it on the marbling, you know? Yeah.
All these fat have to take off.
You don't want the beef to be too oily or chewy, so you have to remove all the fat from it. Well, not all, you can leave a little fat on there because you don't want it to be too lean, that way it will end up being dry. So you can cut them into proper 4 to 5 inch cube like shape, you know what I say? Just to get them cooking evenly.
We're gonna wash it and get off the bloody water. And it's gonna be the second water, so we're gonna add the lime juice. The lime juice is good for the rawness or the vinegar. We're gonna wash until there's no bloody water. Good for seasoning now. Take off a little bit more of the lime juice. We're gonna put a bit of onion powder. And we're gonna add some garlic powder. And then we're gonna add some all-purpose. So you add a garlic, 2 pegs. Put a half of crunchy pepper or scotch bonnet pepper because everybody do not like pepper. So we always had our black pepper while eating. Don't wash the ginger, say don't wash it. Wash and peel and put in the freezer. So that's why I just take it out and cut it. Normally I would crush it, but it's soft, so I can cut it up in here.
Use about 1 finger size piece of ginger, you know what I say?
And of course a little bit of black pepper. You don't need plenty. You use your hand to taste and not from the pot. If there you taste from, you don't taste from the pot. When you taste from the pot, it's spoil the food each time.
Tip a little bit of the seasoning on the finger and try it out.
Okay, this is good to go. You're gonna add a little bit of browning because I don't want your meat too black.
So you're just gonna cover this up and allow it to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Overnight is best, you know what I say? This pot has been heating up for 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna add the oil to the pot. So we're gonna add this to the hot oil and stir. Nice, pretty color.
Nice.
That's must look like this. Must look like.
You got the cooker then it's just dropping on the pot.
We're gonna allow it to take time, tenderize, 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna remove this to the pressure cooker.
So once you saute this off and it starts to produce its own liquid, then we're gonna add this to our pressure cooker now to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You know what I say? Just to get the meat nice and softened. You can run this on the stove top, but it's gonna take a longer time. You know what I say? Cover that, allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes.
I'm gonna remove the pot from the stove to allow it to cool.
Cool on the pot. Cool, baby. Cool it down. Cool, baby. So you see this has reduced drastically, but we are going to set it up the realest way. You see me I say?
We're gonna add about 2 carrots and 3 Irish potatoes. You can see that they are very small. Scrape it.
We add about a cup and a half of water to the vegetables.
Oh, you see that?
That's a full of flavor right there, son. And that oil there with the juice and the beef.
You don't want it to be too soft.
Yes, Papa.
So we're gonna add this water with the carrot and Irish potato.
Allow this to come to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll show you what you do from there. Stew beef looking good. A true mommy pot. You know. Miss Bailey, I do the thing. Up. So add these in after the potato has gotten tender and the meat is almost ready. And you want the flavor for the thing, you see? Add 1 stalk of green onion, aka scallion, you see?
So the reason why you beat it is to get the juice in the pot. Wash a green pepper to put in there to flavor. Here we're gonna add a little bit of our ketchup in our stew beef.
So I'm just gonna remove the stew beef from this pot just so we can cook up some curry goat. You know what I say? A Christmas dinner setting, but when you see this still 2019. You taste it? Backside, Miss Pauline hot. She don't taste pot. Right, let's stir your pot. Like that. Alright. What me a school me, you know. Cover that and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until it reduces and come to a nice thick gravy. You know what I say? Up top.
Stew beef is already ready to serve.
Smell good, eh? You look good, you know? Remove the scallion them. No cornstarch to your thing. See, man, you cook different still, you know?
Yeah, it's cornstarch.
I don't like to use my cornstarch to get it a little bit thick, but you have the potato in the say good, you know?
I don't know. All the thing about potato, you have to use cornstarch.
You reduce nice searing, eh?
Well, this can turn off right now.
Oh, sir.
This ready to go.
Let me spoon it.
Ready to eat. You think she put it aside now? Wow. So, gonna
Mommy.
release the scotch over here.
I want to take time off for big yo. You think hot? Alright. So there you have it. Stew beef at its finest. Done by no other than the great Miss Bailey, aka No Me Mother My Lord. See that now? Up, 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 up. Let me show them the tenderness of this beef. Bring a knife, bring a knife, come. Cut into piece of the beef. So we take it. Oh God, oh God, it's so tender. Oh God,
It's ready to eat.
beautiful.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.